welcome to our real crypto empire. So today I'm going to be showing us how to make some free cash. So this update is actually for people in Nigeria and outside. If you're in Nigeria and outside Nigeria, then this update is for you. For people in Ghana, in South Africa, in UK, you can also use this update to get some free cash for yourself. So basically, I'm going to be introducing us to a app on the phone. It's called Shipper Cash. Now, Shipper Cash is has been giving free money for people you refer. As you can see, this is my account. I have gotten cash and I've withdrawn them to my bank account. So this was the first person. Kevin Ekato was the first person I referred, and you can see that Shipper Cash paid me 1-1 for joining Shipper Cash first, and also paid me 1-1 for referring Kevin. And so I tried also to refer some other people, but some of them did not go through because they made some mistakes. Some people registered with their email instead of phone number, and so um, there were some terms and conditions that we didn't follow through, and so I could not refer them properly. But you can see that I'm going to show us again another. Um, okay, you can see here Kitnobi joined and they paid me 1-1. So right now, Shipper Cash has reduced it from 1-1 to 600 naira. So Shipper Cash paid me 600 naira for referring this person, and just yesterday, Shipper Cash also paid me 600 for referring another person. So what you're gonna do is that I'm gonna put a link below this video where you can actually click to register on Shipper Cash. So you're gonna register with your phone number, and after you register with your phone number, you come to the app, you click on N, you will see a place where you say get verified. You verify your profile, then you close the app and open it again, and come back to N and click on enter referral code. You're going to paste the referral code you're going to see in the description. I'm going to leave everything down in the description. You paste the referral code and click on enter. Once you've done that, it's going to tell you that you're being referred by me. My name is going to show, and it's going to tell you you're being referred by me. And so once you've done that, you wait for your account to be verified. This is how you know your account. Click on profile, then you scroll down, you click on verification status, and you see verified. Once you've done that, then you just have to send, if you're in Nigeria, you just have to send 600 naira to any other person using Shipper Cash. So you send 600. How do you send? You go to your home, you click on send, but before you click on send, the person you want to send to, you copy this um, you copy this Shipper Cash tag that's under your name, you copy it and you click on send, then you paste it here. You can see the number of people I've sent money to. You paste it here and click. So if I'm clicking on the first person, first and click, then you put how much you want to send and the reason why you want to send it, and click on send. And so that is it. That's how to send money on Shipper Cash. I mean, you can also request money from your friends. Click on request, then search for the contact list and request money. And also you can use Shipper Cash to do other things. For people in Nigeria, you can use Shipper Cash to buy cards, and you get a percentage. You click on buy airtime, you can see you get a percentage for every. Okay, so enter phone number, click on phone number. You see, once you buy 7,000, you get 140 naira as a bonus for you. And so if you want to also buy data bundle, same thing. Once you click and you see 110 gig for 30 days for 20,000. So you can actually use Cheaper Cash to do a lot of things, not only buying airtime and paying bills. You can also use Cheaper Cash to invest. You can invest in stocks with as low as 1,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. If you're in other countries, you can invest in stocks as low as 1 USD, and so on and so forth. So you can also add your bank card to Shipper Cash. You can see add cash, then you can add with your Mastercard or your Visa card to Shipper Cash, and you can also create a virtual card on Shipper Cash, so you can use for transactions. So that is it about super cash. You can make some good money from referring people, and if you have a good number of referrals, like 10 to 20 referrals, you can earn yourself some free money. So this is the update about earning free money online. So I hope to see you in our next video. Till then, please do take care of yourself and have a nice time. Thank you so much.